Baby Big Mouth! Surprise!
It's a Baby Big Mouth surprise egg learn-a-word. Spelling Little Charmers is great fun. T. R. E. B. L. E. And what's that spell? Treble. T. R. E. B. L. E. Treble. Now for a spelling surprise.
Surprise!
Little treble too. It's a Little Charmers party. And now a spelling celebration. Thanks for cracking us up. Bye-bye.
Surprise!
It's the Baby Big Mouth Show. Starring Bobby Big Mouth, Betty Big Mouth, Gilbert Big Mouth, Tex Big Mouth, and you. Time for some big fun.
Hi, I'm Betty Big Mouth, and I love surprises. Let's all look for a colorful treasure inside these surprise nesting eggs.